Selling or trading in an Android phone? There's one step that decides whether you actually get paid for it. Removing your Google account. Here's why, and exactly how to do it. Android phones have a protection called factory reset protection. If you reset the phone without removing your Google account first, the next owner gets locked out and a trade-in company can't accept it. So the order matters. Account first, reset second. Here's how. Open Settings, scroll to Passwords and Accounts. On a Samsung, it's Accounts and Backup, then Manage Accounts. Tap your Google account, then tap Remove Account and confirm with your PIN. On a Samsung, there's one more. Remove your Samsung account the same way, or the phone stays locked to it. And if you use WhatsApp, back up your chats first, they don't come back on their own. Now the reset. Settings, General Management or System, then Reset, then Factory Data Reset. Because you removed the accounts first, the phone comes back clean and ready for its next owner. Once your accounts are off, you can skip the rest. Send it as it is, no need to reset. We wipe every device to a certified standard, email you the certificate, and pay you the same day we inspect. Get your quote at BuyBackBear.com.